Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a card to your iPhone for Apple Pay, Wallet, and the App Store. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the step 1, that is to add a card to Wallet or Apple Pay. To do that, simply open the Wallet app, and once you have opened it, simply tap on the plus icon to add a new card. And from the pop-up menu, simply select debit or credit card and tap on continue. And now you can scan your card by holding iPhone near the chip on the card and adding it to the wallet. But if your card is not scannable, you can also tap on enter card details manually at the bottom, and after that on the new page you need to enter your card number, expiry date and security code. And once you're done with that, you can simply tap on next and your bank will verify the card. And you may also need to complete the verification via text message or your bank app. And once verified, your card will be ready to use. And with that, let's move forward to the step 2, that is to enable quick access for Apple Pay. It can help to make the payments easier. To do that, simply open the settings and from there simply scroll down and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. And once you see the interface like this, make sure to double click the side button or home button is on. And now once you have enabled that, when you double click, your card will appear. So you just have to authenticate with Face ID or passcode and tap near a payment reader and tap on done. And with that, let's move forward to the last step, that is to add card for App Store. So to do that, simply open the App Store on your iPhone, and once you have opened it, simply tap on Today button at the bottom left and then tap on your profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from the pop-up menu, simply tap on your account's name. Once you do that, you will be prompted to your account settings page. Once you are here, simply tap on Manage Payments and after that, tap on Add Payments Method. And here you need to simply enter your card details and follow the prompts. And if your Apple ID or iCloud account are separate, you may need to add a payment method in both places. And that's it. Now your card is set up for Wallet, Apple Pay and the App Store. Hope this helps. If it did, like and subscribe for more tech tips. And see you in the next one. Bye.